Subscriptions. This is a getting started video to help you set up your first subscription plan. After install, you'll see this screen. As you can see here, you only need to do 2 steps. One is to create subscription plan and then to activate in your theme. Let's go straight ahead. So down below is where you can create your subscription plan. There's quite a few fields here, so we added some tooltips to help you understand what it's for. So let's say I want to sell a magazine subscription. So I'll just copy this here and then I'll add my magazine product. So that's that. And I want to sell this on a monthly basis. So I'll fill this out monthly every 1 month. So you can change the frequency here. For this example, I want it monthly. So I will want to reward my customers, so I'll give them 20% discount on the first cycle and then 25% discount on the succeeding cycle. And if you want, you can also add a new plan. So let's say we want to sell this quarterly, so every 3 months, and then I'll offer a lower discount, so maybe just 10% and then 15% on succeeding orders. So let's continue to theme integration. Now the next thing I need to do is to activate this in my theme. So you can select which theme to activate this on, but I'll activate it on the published theme. So I'll click here. So from here, you see subscriptions now activated. I just need to save. This toggle must be on, so I'll just save this and then I can close this window now. Going back here, so for customer accounts, if you want to see the list of your subscriptions, you need to set up the customer accounts. There's 2 types of shops. Shops that are still on the legacy customer accounts where you need to click upgrade now. So these first steps are for those legacy shops on legacy customer accounts. If you click here, my store is quite new, so I don't have that banner because it's already on the new customer account. So this step is not required for this shop, so I'll proceed right ahead. So in this one, we want the subscriptions to surface in the accounts page in your storefront. So these steps are the ones to do it. So clicking this will directly directly go to step 4. So let me just show you. I'll click this. So from this view, I want the subscriptions to appear in the customer accounts. So for me to do that, I need to go to the app and then I'll add the application. So if I click here, add to accounts, so there you go. And then so it shows up here, but it's not appearing on the menu. Sometimes there's an easy way to show that here. There's a quick add to menu, but since it didn't appear here, or maybe because I was tinkering around here, what I can do is I clicked on main and then in the navigation, so edit subscriptions is here. Okay, so subscriptions, I'll link it to our subscription. So there. So this is the app that we just added. If I hit save here, then I can close this out. There you go. Subscriptions is available now. I'll just hit save and then I can close this now. So now we've set it up. Let's click this. I've added subscriptions to account and then finish setup. Now you're done with the setup. You can navigate throughout the application here. So there's a list of subscription. This is the plan group that we just created. You can go back to the installation instructions here. Some help tips, pricing plan if you want to upgrade or downgrade your plan, and then there's a bunch of settings in here. Yeah, so you can navigate in here and then a way to contact the support. If you want to request features, you can just click here. You can go to our support pages in our site for some articles, and then yeah, terms of use are in here. But before ending this video, I want to show you how the application will work. So remember, we added it in the magazine, so we have a magazine subscription here. So you can still do a one-time purchase, but you can now choose a magazine subscription. So this was what we added earlier, every month and every 3 months. So you'll notice the change in prices because we added that specifically. So if I want to order every month, so I've just clicked that, so it's gonna be monthly. I'll just close this sidebar. Okay, so monthly, I'll go straight to checkout. So I'll test this out. Okay, so I'll just do some testing here. So there you go. I'll pay now. So there. Now, as a customer, to see this, I need to log in here. So the new customer accounts, wait, this might not show. Yeah, so I need to log in first. And then with the new customer accounts, you'll have to input your code. I'll just check my email. Please bear with me for a second. Okay, code is 949683. Here. So as a customer, I'm able to see what I purchased, and then from this view, I have some options as a customer to manage my subscription. Yeah, so that's an overview of how the application works. Thank you for watching this video.